Hello everyone. It's Alex from the Dynotest team and I am here to show you how to install, activate, and use our device on a Land Rover Discovery car. Let's get started. There are 4 different modes available, and you can easily switch between them. Each mode is activated one after the other, and to move to the next mode, just press the RES button on the steering wheel 4 times. Now, let's give it a try. To switch to mode 1, you'll hear a single sound signal to confirm activation. In mode 1, the mileage block function is inactive. It means the kilometers are counted at 100%. To move to mode 2, press the RES button on the steering wheel 4 times again. In mode 2, only 50% of the actual mileage is recorded. Switching to mode 3. Here, only 10% of the actual mileage is recorded. And finally, for mode 4. In mode 4, the mileage block function is fully active, so 0% of the actual mileage is recorded. You're ready to use our device on your Land Rover Discovery. Thanks for tuning in.